Hi, and welcome to Work in the Yard with Will. So I'm out here in the modern Japanese garden, and I'm really just taking a look at some things like how my trees are settling in, rooting in. I haven't done much with this garden except put some trees in spot. I still need to finish quite a few things because I had some other projects going. But today I'm working with a product called Neem Oil. I've been noticing on some of my trees, like my red buds, my golden red buds, my forest pansy red buds, that something's been kind of chewing on it a little bit. And so I didn't want anything too aggressive. I went ahead and grabbed some neem oil, which is an organic thing. You can spray out there on your trees, your cabbages. Actually, I use this for my cabbage as well to kind of keep the little critters off of it. So there's nothing much to it. I'll turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we go. I just finished spraying this red bud, but if you look closely, you can see some leaves that are kind of a little bit chewed and tattered. And I haven't quite identified the item that's actually chewing on this, but like I said, I'm using this product called Neem Oil. It's all organic. It's a fungus um, insecticide, gets rid of mites, miticide, and you can pick this up wherever, your big box store, online. You can even try to make this yourself. And when I mean make it yourself, they sell a pure neem oil that you can purchase, add a couple other ingredients to it like some water and soap, and get spraying. So eventually got to come back over here to this modern Japanese garden. These Scotch pom trees are doing really well. You can see all the new growth on those growing out there nicely. My smoke bush tree is looking nice. I kind of like the shape that it's going. It's going back in this direction, which is going to be pretty neat. Of course, the red lace Japanese maple is doing good. It's got a little bit of burning from the sun. I got a little bit more sun over there anticipated, so I'm just trying to keep it watered nicely. This is the other red bud, the golden red bud, that is the same way as the forest pansy. It's got some little bit of chewing on there, so I'm gonna try to see if this neem oil works out and takes care of those things. The other Scotch pine right here, pom pine. It has a lot of nice growth. And down here to the weeping tree. Everything is coming in nicely. Like I said, I do got to get over here and do a little weed eating. That's going to be my next project. Still haven't gotten my blood good that's going to go in this spot. I just got this old tree as a placeholder. Orange yellow down here. It's looking pretty good. Could use a little bit of water, but for the most part doing good. The other Scotch pine is right there. So everything is pretty much settled. I just got to come back through here and do a little cleanup before the jungle takes back over and I'm back to where I started. All right, everybody enjoy your day.